This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Hello and welcome back. Here are 3 SEO tips from me to you. Number 1. Do not risk Google penalties. As they have a significant share of the search market, a penalty from them results in a significant and long-term loss of visitors to your websites and rankings on search engines. Number 2. You're ultimately responsible for all of the SEO work done on your website. Search engines won't remove a penalty on the basis that you didn't do and didn't know the specifications of the SEO work done to your site. And finally, number 3. Know why your site can be penalized. Common causes are poor quality content, keyword over-optimization, and an advert-heavy page layout, and too many low-quality backlinks. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.